Hey everyone, welcome back to Mystical Palette. So today I've got another speed paint for you all. I don't know if I've uploaded probably long time ago when I was not starting out as Mystical Palette. It was mini chip, but yeah. And while we were watching this drawing slowly come together, I thought it would be fun to answer some of your questions. I did a post and I got a few questions, so let's jump right into it. Question 1. Have you considered doing a drawing tip series by Trail Cutter? Maybe you can tell us about design or color theory from popular animated shows? Why, yes, actually, I've been planning on making some sort of series where I can share what I've learned throughout my art journey. Over the years, I have picked a lot of small lessons about drawing, color, composition, character design, all sort of art fundamentals. So I'm I'm like still learning. So I think it would be fun to share some things that have helped me improve. I do really like the idea of breaking down design choices and color theory from animated shows because animation is like full of amazing visuals and storytelling. So if that's something you guys like to see, let me know in the comments. So it will be like a fun way for all of us to learn together. Question number 2 from Red Pineapple 4043. Hi Mika, have you ever been visited by the tickle monster? Silly back. No, I have not been visited by the tickle monster, at least not yet. But if one ever appears, I'll be sure to challenge it on epic drawing duel. Anyways, question number 3. Uh, if you could be any type of food, what would you be? From Cat Meow to 916. This is actually an easy one. I would absolutely be a chocolate mousse cake, not just any chocolate mousse cake, one of those fancy layered ones with rich chocolate sponge, fluffy mousse, and smooth ganache on top, and maybe little chocolate curl decoration. Well, because I love chocolate mousse cake, it somehow manages to be both elegant and comforting, and also it's so yummy. It's like it's like so amazing uh, in taste. Okay, question number 4. I'm Ferulu says, when and why did you start drawing? So I started drawing what like maybe 10, 11 years ago, like in 2014. Wait, no, I think it's like been 12 years. At the beginning, I was like mostly tracing characters from cartoons and like I was like taking it really casual. I was like not, into art that much. But then I was like, I started watching speed paints and a lot of art tutorials. That's how like I got into like more and more into it. I used to watch a lot of process videos and like anything related to art. So I started subscribing to like Jazza and like all this. So I wanted to like improve and like I got motivated. So then I started copying their techniques and like slowly I got better into it. Then I like started investing as well later on. I got like a Wacom tablet, then a Huawei tablet, then even a better laptop, and then I was like, I got into digital art. Looking back, I think one of the biggest lessons I've learned is that improvement comes from consistency, and not just like you. A lot of people like fixated onto like the end result of the process. Like they don't focus on the process, and they're not like having fun, which is like they are missing out honestly. So yeah, like a lot of things you are gonna improve is when you are having fun, and like do not like think like you're just gonna be like a pro artist from the get-go. Nobody's talented. I'm just telling you from heart to heart, no one is born talented. So yeah, just keep going and keep learning it. You'll be surprised of how much progress you can make when you just stick into and just, you know, just dedicate yourself into it and discipline yourself. So yeah, uh, I think yeah, that was like all the questions for today video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this speed paint, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, or if you like to see more art content, maybe leave a question for the next Q&A. Maybe I don't know when I'm gonna do it. So until next time, bye everyone.